This video is for educational purposes only. Always call a licensed contractor to perform work on your air conditioning system. You may get injured or killed.
We have this Lenox unit from 2019 tripping breaker, and we have no cold air coming out of the vents, which obviously looks like the problem is with the compressor starting. We'll check capacitor first. Okay, so this should be a good video for compressor saver kit, which is pretty much a relay with a secondary capacitor which helps your compressor to start. So right now we have this Lenox unit, which is not that old. Let's have a look. It's from 2019. What's happening, our compressor doesn't start and it trips the breaker. So breaker is only 30 amps, this unit is calling for 40, but still minimum capacity is 26. So this is up to code technically. So what happens, I already checked capacitor, it's good. So when we start our unit, you can see it pulls 120 amps, and then it goes down to 80 or 90, but still this compressor didn't start. This compressor is locked, it's not starting. So the only way I can try to pretty much jump start it with this compressor saver kit, which will give it extra torque at the startup. So let's try it out. Again, we can try to start it again. Nothing happens. So our compressor saver kit striped wire goes onto HERM terminal, red wire goes to either common or common on a capacitor, and black wire goes onto contactor on the other line, which is not common. You can find schematics right here. So I'm gonna try to start it this way. Hopefully it doesn't short on me. Just to start. Here we go. You can hear compressor started, pulling 11 amps. So the only way I could get this unit back alive is to install this compressor saver kit, which gave it extra juice at the start. Again, you know, there is a chance something is going on inside this compressor, which is hermetically sealed, but you know, I'll give two options to this customer. So our compressor saver kit installed, relay, and another capacitor.